Faulty temperature controller automatic reset cycle. The cycle starts with the original controller turned off. If the temperature is at the high limit, the automatic resetter receives a signal from the auxiliary thermostat, which is detected by turning on the yellow indicator LED. The green LED also lights up when the original controller is being turned on. The compressor starts and begins to refrigerate the cargo compartment. When the desired temperature is reached, the auxiliary thermostat stops sending a signal, and the yellow LED turns off and the red LED turns on, indicating that the original controller is being turned off. The cycle is repeated reliably, which was the goal of the project. The complete diagram includes a switch that turns off the entire control system. On the other hand, the original controller and power relay for the compressor are connected straight to the battery. Regards.